Throughout the universe, there are 2 trillion galaxies. Each of these galaxies are filled with hundreds of billions of stars, each with their own planets. This means the craziest of planets you can dream of exists somewhere out there. Today, let's explore some of the most insane planets in the universe. Kepler 16b, the planet with 2 suns. Often nicknamed Tatooine from Star Wars, this gas giant is roughly the size of Saturn and sits just 245 light-years away. It holds a special place in history as the first planet ever discovered orbiting a binary star system, meaning if you stood on its surface, you'd witness not 1, but 2 suns rising and setting in the sky. While that sounds incredible, living there wouldn't be so easy. With temperatures dropping as low as -100 degrees Celsius, liquid water can't exist on its surface, making it an unlikely home for life as we know it. This next planet is so terrifying that it has been given the nickname Planet of Terror. This deep blue world might look stunning from space, but don't be fooled. It's one of the most violent and unforgiving planets in the universe. The weather on this planet is deadly. Winds here reach a mind-blowing 8,700 km/h, 7 times the speed of sound. And if that wasn't enough, it rains molten glass sideways due to the planet's violent storms. Imagine being caught in a hurricane where razor-sharp shards of glass fly at you faster than a jet plane. Surviving here isn't just impossible, it's unthinkable. Next up, let's travel to a planet so massive that it makes our Saturn look tiny. Meet the Super Saturn. This planet rings are an astonishing 640 times larger than Saturn's, stretching so far that they block the sunlight from reaching the planet's surface. In fact, when astronomers first discovered this planet, they noticed its enormous rings briefly dimming the light of its own star. But these rings aren't just massive, they're also incredibly bright. If we replaced our Saturn with this Super Saturn, it would look something like this, making this planet one of the most visually striking in the universe. Up next, we have the darkest planet in the entire universe. This planet is so dark that it reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it, making it darker than coal. If any space traveler misses to detect this almost invisible world, they would face the consequences. This gas giant absorbs nearly all light, making it one of the most mysterious planets ever discovered. But the real danger lies in its intense heat. Despite being nearly pitch black, this planet glows an ominous red, like a burning ember. Any spacecraft unlucky enough to enter its atmosphere would be engulfed by blistering temperatures and crushing pressure, leaving no chance of escape. Not every planet has a star. Some are not part of any solar system, drifting through the cold, dark depths of space. These are known as rogue planets. These planets have been ejected from their original star systems. Or in some cases, they may have never had a star at all, forming instead as failed stars. They don't orbit anything. They wander alone, caught in the vast emptiness of space. On these planets, it likely rains, but not water. Instead, the rains are made of molten iron, falling from the sky like liquid metal. The extreme conditions of these rogue planets make them one of the most mysterious and hostile worlds we can ever imagine.